Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating hardware and software quickly. Check the GPU model and ensure it reports DirectX12 feature level 11_0 or higher. Then update the GPU driver from the vendor, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, because drivers expose DirectX capabilities. Once done, make sure Windows updates and the DirectX runtime are installed. They supply critical libraries. If your GPU is older, consider a hardware upgrade as a last resort, since software alone cannot add missing feature levels. Next, you perform focused system adjustments that often resolve detection issues. First, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and confirm power plan uses maximum performance because throttling can mask features. If drivers remain problematic, run display driver uninstaller to remove remnants, then reinstall the vendor driver cleanly. Also open the GPU control panel to ensure no compatibility or virtualization overrides block DirectX features. These steps fix most software layer conflicts that prevent applications from. Finally, you verify results and conclude the repair sequence. Run DxDiag and GPU-Z to confirm DirectX version and reported feature levels. Those tools show whether the system recognizes capability. Then launch a simple DirectX12 demo or game, watch logs for explicit errors, and note driver or API messages. If problems persist, update motherboard BIOS, reseat the GPU, and test on another system. If nothing changes, replace the card. Hardware limits cannot be fixed in software. One tip: keep incremental backups of drivers to revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.